In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make good PowerPoint 2025, step by step. Open your web browser and search for PowerPoint to get to the official Microsoft PowerPoint page. Once you're there, sign in with your account so your work is saved and you can access it anywhere. On the home page, choose the option to create a blank presentation. This opens the editing workspace where you'll be building your slides. Start by setting the background. Right-click on the slide background and open the background options. In the Fill section, expand the Solid Fill menu using the small arrow, then pick a color you like. As soon as you choose a color, your slide background updates. Aim for a color that keeps your text readable. High contrast works best. Next, add an image. Go to Insert, select Pictures, then choose this device. Browse your files, pick a photo, and open it. Resize the picture by clicking it and dragging the corner handles until it fits the layout you want. If you want to keep the proportions while resizing, drag from a corner. You may also notice design suggestions appearing on the right side. Scroll through those options and click the one you like to instantly apply a polished layout. It's a quick way to make your slide look professional. Now edit your title. Click the title placeholder, type your headline, then select the text. Open the font menu to choose a style that matches your tone, whether modern, formal, or playful. Adjust the font size with the size dropdown so it's easy to read from a distance. To change the font color, use the font color menu and pick a color that stands out clearly against the background. When you're ready to continue, add another slide. Go to Insert and click New Slide. This creates your second page where you can continue building your content. From the Insert menu, you can add a text box, table, pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, or a chart. Just click the item you want and place it on the slide. Combine visuals and text thoughtfully so each slide highlights one main idea. Finally, add movement with transitions. Select a slide, go to the Transitions tab, and pick a transition effect you like. Subtle transitions usually look clean and keep attention on your message. That's it. Follow these steps to build a clear, attractive presentation, and repeat the process for each slide until your story is complete.